Movers just left, so we're getting the first floor, the rest of the house turned over to us. We've been working downstairs. All this is gonna come out. This whole wall here is gonna get reframed. A nice steel column coming down, holding up the roof. This is gonna be all windows in that wall, essentially. This loft is gonna come out. We're gonna reconfigure the second floor up there for a Jack and Jill bathroom in between the two bedrooms. We'll open up this living room, new fireplace and all of that. And get reconfigured in here. We'll have a door out to the screened-in porch. Redo this kitchen completely. Similar layout. Over here we'll get reconfigured. This will become kind of, we'll move this wall over, make a bigger door, move the stairs. Those stairs will go up to the gym. This will become a mud room, so there'll be a pocket door, be some built-ins. You kind of go through a pantry and laundry room back there. So that'll be cool. And we're gonna actually recess washer and dryer into that wall, into the garage, which will make some more room, make a nice laundry room so she actually work in there. Over here in the master, not much going on in here. We got all new windows and doors. The master bathroom will get reconfigured. This is gonna have a nice custom tile shower, glass enclosure. Whirlpool tub is coming out. We'll have a freestanding tub back there alongside the tile shower. And yeah, we'll keep the double vanity set up. Down here in the lower level, we've been underway for a couple weeks. Their clients were gracious enough to let us get going down here before the movers came, turning over the rest of the place. So what we have in this lower level is, you know, a bathroom. We're calling that the lower level bathroom. This will be the game room. There was some built-ins and a corner gas fireplace over there. We took that out. We're gonna build a little pool cue niche right there in the wall. We'll have a pool table in this room. These two rooms become the offices. So we'll have one office here. Hey, Bill. This will be his office, and then this will be her office. And we cut in a window over there so she can have a beautiful view of the lake. And guest bedroom down here. We roughed in a new bathroom, so we added a bathroom. I'll show you what that looks like. So this lower level bathroom, we cut the slab open so that we could rough in and continue the plumbing to pick up that new guest bathroom. So lower level bathroom ends right here. That's one shower. And then Max is getting ready to patch in all this concrete after our inspection. Toilet, sink, and there'll be a tub with a tile surround and a glass enclosure. And this is the nice guest bedroom. We got all our negative air pressure, air scrubbers running. It's nice for our health, even though we got the house turned over, completely demoed at this point anyways. Yeah. And the guys are out here working on the deck ledger, getting ready to start framing this deck out here, which will be nice. So they got that going. This deck will come all the way around and connect to the screen porch. The screen porch over here on this side, so we'll cut in a doorway right there into the kitchen. So we had our helical piers installed last week. We had the site prep all done, rebuilt that wall. So that would be cleaned up for the new porch build. So this screen porch here will be sweet with the set of spiral stairs coming down here with this beautiful spot here on the lake. We love working outside this time of year. 70 degrees, cool mornings. Enjoy the week.